In this video of Kolkata, India, I will show you and describe pedestrian safety for tourists, tips on using Uber in Kolkata, a walking tour of some of the top tourist sites in Kolkata, New Market, the main shopping mall for locals, travel tips for tourists on safety and costs. So please stay tuned to my video. Please remember to post a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can always get my latest travel videos. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Kolkata, India. I'm standing in front of the Indian Museum here in Kolkata, and what you saw there was my ride up here using an air-conditioned Uber. Interestingly, they don't offer any rickshaws on Uber. They do offer non-air-conditioned old cars, but an air-conditioned car, which is the one I took, only cost me $1.20 US for a 20-minute ride. So this grand old building is the Indian Museum. I'm going to take a walk from here to New Market, which is the largest shopping area in Kolkata. Now remember, I'm not at the New Market. I'm actually walking to the New Market. And it's a covered sidewalk, so that's a nice thing. The other interesting thing is that because this area is for locals, not tourists, there's no salesman trying to sell you anything here. Well, as you can see, I've finally reached the New Market. It is the major shopping mall for the local people here. Buy everything from clothes to leather bags to anything, electronics. Now, as you've been seeing from my video, Kolkata is not a wealthy city. Unlike many of the other cities in India that have benefited from the global economy, including Mumbai, Kolkata has been left behind. And that's for many economic and political reasons that I won't go into right now. However, you shouldn't confuse lack of wealth with lack of safety. Kolkata is one of the safest cities to walk around day or night. There is a metro here, and it's one of the oldest metros in India. And again, this metro is very safe to take either day or night. Kolkata, India has one of the most educated populations in all of India. The literacy rate is very high here. The other thing as a Western tourist you'll find is in Kolkata, most of the street signs are in English, left over from the British days. And they haven't taken them down to make them all in Hindi or in Bangla, which is the local language here. So as you saw, I'm staying at the Kenilworth Hotel, which is located on Russell Street, very close to Elliott Park. These are all English names. And I'm going to be taking you to another site which is English very shortly, so stay tuned. Birla Planetarium is one of the most visited attraction by locals, and what you saw there are some of the locals lining up for the next show for the planetarium. They already have their tickets. Now, as I mentioned before, Kolkata is not a wealthy city when compared to other Indian cities. However, for a tourist, the costs here are very low, both for hotels and food, and the service level is absolutely excellent. People are very courteous, sensitive, and very caring, and also the costs are very reasonable to eat here and to stay here. St. Paul's Anglican Cathedral. St. Paul's Cathedral was built in 1847 during the time of the British Raj, and it is obviously very well maintained, and it's well preserved. And it's a beautiful and very spacious cathedral inside with beautiful stained glass windows. Now, as you saw from the sign, photography and videography is strictly forbidden on the campus and inside the church. But I did sneak one in for you, so you can thank me later. Just a note about traffic in Kolkata. It is safe to walk in Kolkata. There are very few traffic lights and crosswalks. However, the drivers do slow down for pedestrians. They don't try to hit pedestrians. It is a safe city to walk around once you get used to the system. The drivers do stop at traffic lights. I hope you enjoyed my video of Kolkata, India today. Please stay tuned for more of my travel videos, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, post a like, and hit the notification bell for future videos.